Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are again with our new video. If you haven't seen our previous video, please make sure you watch it before you see this video that was about satellite communication. Also make sure if you want any video to be uploaded for any concepts of any subject regarding electronics, please make sure to reach us out, comment, and please like, share this video. Now today our topic is wave propagation or transmission. So the signal or the information that we use in communication is in electrical form. As I said in my previous video, in wireless communication the atmosphere or the free space is the channel which is not a good conductor. So we cannot transmit electrical signals. First we have to convert the electrical energy into electromagnetic energy. Now the question comes that in communication which device is responsible for this conversion? Wireless communication cannot be established without an antenna. Technically speaking, an antenna is a transducer. Now what is a transducer? Transducer means a device that converts one form of energy to another form of energy. Like for example, bulbs, motors, and even generators are example of transducer. So the transmitting antenna radiates the electromagnetic wave, which is also known as radio wave, and the receiver antenna catches it and again converts it into electrical signal. Now we will understand the three basic concepts, or we can say three waves radio wave travels and reaches the receiver. The first concept is reflection. Yes, by hearing this you must be thinking about the light waves reflected in mirror, and your guess is correct. Reflection in wireless communication occurs when a radio wave bounces off an object or a surface. Coming to the second method or the second concept, that is refraction. Refraction can be understood as bending. Refraction of radio wave happens when a radio wave passes from one medium to another medium, having different density. The example of refraction can be seen when you dip something in water. You may observe that there is change in image that we get. Or we can even see a rainbow as an example, that is a light wave but it's not straight, right? Now coming to the third concept or the third method, which is diffraction. Diffraction of radio wave means that radio waves traveling in straight paths bend around an obstacle. It's like sticking somewhat closer to the obstacle, it tries to attain the shape of that object. It explains radio reception behind a mountain or tall building. Like when we are transmitting our signal towards some antenna, our receiver antenna, if that is behind a wall, any mountain, any tower, so it uses concept of diffraction to catch the signal. Now based on these three concepts, we have three basic modes of getting a radio wave from the transmitter to receiver. The first one I want to discuss about is ground wave. A ground wave is a radio wave that travels along Earth's surface due to diffraction. It travels better over a conductive surface such as seawater. And interestingly, all the submarine communicates using this way. Due to diffraction, loss increases with distance. So we have an alternative for that if we want to increase the distance of communication. Now here comes the second way, which is space wave propagation. Space wave propagation can be classified into two. First can be a direct wave, space wave. Second one is a ground reflected wave. Now a direct space wave can travel 4/3 times better, which is nothing but 33% more than line of sight. The one problem with space wave communication is ghosting. Ghosting is a condition caused when same signal arrives at a receiver at two different times, which result in double image. So now you'll be wondering how it can be received by two different waves. As I said, that if wave is traveling, suppose if it's line of sight communication, it can travel straight forward. But even due to diffraction or even refraction, it is possible that same signal can be reached to the signal through a different wave, and definitely the time that it reaches will be different. Now coming to the last. At last we have sky wave propagation. This is based on the concept of refraction or bending. A sky wave is a radio wave that is radiated from a transmitting antenna in a direction toward the ionosphere. Now what is ionosphere? It is nothing but a layer of atmosphere, a layer of sky from 25 to 250 miles above Earth's surface. This method is used for long distance communication. Ionospheres is having charged particles in that range. So as I said in the concept of refraction, that if density is different of two different mediums, it can occur the radio wave to bend. So we bend our radio wave signal in that range, and after bending it reaches back to the receiver signal. So today we covered basic three concepts, which was reflection, refraction and diffraction. And also based on those three concepts we discussed three ways to propagate: ground wave, space wave and sky wave. Now please in comment let us know if you find any difficulty in understanding these concepts. If you want more detailed video in any of these concepts or some related concept or anything regarding satellite communication, please comment down the section. Also check out our microcontroller series and other series that we are going to publish in future, and make sure you are in touch with us. So please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.